Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Let's talk about some power tactics from big YouTubers that will explode your YouTube channel. I'm going to share some insights, my experience and research. And if you stay with me through to the end of the video, I've got an extra bonus point, power tips, my own experience, things I know you do not want to miss. This video is being brought to us by Creator Mix, but we'll talk more about them after we get into this. So the first power tactic from big YouTubers, never use finalizing language. Never let them know when you're getting ready to end your video. It took me a while to realize that as soon as you start saying things like thanks for watching and you start using that type of language, you'll notice your viewers are already on the platform, already looking for something else to watch. So I've learned to not use that type of language. Never let them know. As a matter of fact, I like Nick Nemon. He's one of the owners of Creator Mix. I like what he had to say on using that type of language. Let's check him out.
As soon as it's clear to the viewer that they have gotten what it is that they came to that video for, guess what? They're out of there. They're looking for something else to watch, and it might not be your video. Or let's say a minute before the video is actually complete, you say something along the lines of, and that's how you, boom, that's it. They're gone. You just told them that, hey, that's how you do XYZ. This video is complete. The information that you just came here for, guess what? It's over. Regardless of the content type, as soon as the viewer gets what it is that they've gotten out of the video, they bounce. Respect your viewers and their time and give them a good experience, and they'll keep coming back.
So that's what I'm talking about. Using that language, they're out of there. They're gone. So that is the first power tactic from big YouTubers that I picked up along my journey when I relaunched my channel. Never let them know that the video is coming to an end. I started to use tactics like check out this video next. And I noticed when I did that, my in-screen click-through rate increased. I went from a 3.8% in-screen click-through rate up to 11% on this video just by not using that finalizing language and pointing to another video. So as you can see right here, I'm talking to them in this video and I'm telling them another problem, pointing to another video to answer that problem. That's the best way that I've found as a power tactic from big YouTubers to end your videos pointing to another video, giving them more to watch, keeping them on the platform. That's how we increase and blow up your channel. I remember when I first relaunched my channel, when I started back on YouTube, I would say things like, so thanks for watching, talking about merchandise. Then I would start asking for subscribers, talking about other things in the description. And of course, your core fans, those ones that are really vibing with you, your vibe, attracting your tribe, they'll stick around and watch that. But we have to remember, most people who are watching us for the first time. So they're really there for the information. They really don't know you yet, right? So they're thinking about what they came into. And so I started using different language. And so now, instead of giving them clues that the video is over, I learned to introduce a new problem, point them to another video to solve that problem. So keep that in mind as you begin to increase your knowledge and understanding of how this platform works. Never use language that'll let them know that they've got what they came in for and they can bounce, because they will abandon the video and you'll notice that in your analytics in the back screen, but that's a whole nother video. Think about that as you begin to increase your success. You always want to keep them on the platform for as long as possible. And the second power tactic from big YouTubers is that you have to be legit, go generic, following the guidelines. You're building a community right here on YouTube. The worst thing you could do is have your channel deleted. Every year, there are millions of channels that are getting started and there are millions of channels that are getting deleted for violating those guidelines. Every year, getting deleted, starting the YouTube channel, violating those guidelines, doing certain things with subscribers. I'll talk more about that coming up in a minute. In fact, I did some research. I went online. This guy right here, Jason Wise, he's a filmmaker known for his wine documentaries. He talks about how as of the year of 2023, there are over 38 million active channels. Think about that. All channels sharing the platform. A lot of us are doing this to create an income, to go full time, right? It says it starts by creating a channel and can result in a lucrative income. And I've noticed a lot of people, they'll do subscriber for subscriber, buying subscribers. They may even create fake channels to ghost and do spam content all across the platform. You never want to do that. If you really want to succeed, what I've learned along my journey is the best thing to do is grow generically. Grow by doing the work, creating videos that people really enjoy, put in the work, get the work done, do it legit. And you'll even find where a lot of people, they buy views, just violating those guidelines. So it's another power tactic from big YouTubers, all right? Those who are successful in this thing for the right reason, they'll tell you, be legit. You're building a community right here on YouTube. Go generic, do the right thing, follow those guidelines, excelling to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. We want to go to the next level. Next level mindset, that's where it's at. And by the way, if this is your first time here or you just haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Stay empowered and inspired with us together. Join the family. We would love to have you here at Next Level. And the third power tactic from bigger YouTubers that I picked up: when you're doing your live stream, always keep the replay in mind. There will be those who come in while you're live. I've seen other people talk about, let's wait till others come in. We're waiting around. And remember, it's before you record your live stream and after your live stream. Some people are going to come in after the live stream, and they're going to get value if you keep that in mind. So think about your hook. Think about what you're going to say. So what I've learned to do along my journey with my YouTube channel, whenever I'm doing a live stream, I make sure that first thing that comes out of my mouth is scripted out. But that's one part of my live stream that I know what I'm going to say, because as soon as people click that, they may be watching it on the replay. I want them to be able to know that they're in the right place. And so when you're doing your live stream, it's a power tactic. Use your live stream, keeping the replay in mind. And as long as you hit that first couple of words right on point, the first 10, 15 seconds, that's going to be so important when it comes to the replay value of your live stream. But you never want to start your live stream waiting around to see what others are going to do, waiting around to see who's coming in. You want to realize that some people are watching it on the replay, and they want to know that they hit the right button, they're in the right place at the right time. And also keep in mind that live streams is a great way to elevate your channel, to let people get to know you behind the scenes. So keep that in mind. Your replay value is going to be so important when it comes to doing your live streams, because that video is going to be up on your channel for a long time, hopefully, right? You want that to be up there for a long time if you're in this for the long game. Now, if you're someone who's just doing YouTube for having fun, then these things may not apply. So I'm learning to use every opportunity to learn different lessons. Now, I've got some extra bonus points, power tips that I want to share. But first, before we do that, gotta tell you about Creative Mix, copyright-free music for all content creators. I've been using them for a while, and they have a great variety of music, different varieties of music, free of charge. So check out Creative Mix. Go to their YouTube channel, subscribe there. Go to creativemix.com, create a free account, start downloading their music, use it in your videos, use it in your live streams, or just listen behind the scenes. So a big thank you to Nick Nimmin and D Nimmin over at Creative Mix. They're not sponsoring this video, but if you choose to use them, just tell them Stevon told you about it. If you've enjoyed this video so far and it's giving you value, do me a favor and hit that like button. That would be a great way for you to help me get this video out to as many people. Appreciate that. So this first bonus point that I want to share with you deals mostly with the idea of benefits. What are our viewers getting when they come to our channels? I've learned to be clear on that. It took me a while to realize that viewers are not subscribing for videos. They're really subscribing for the benefits that they're going to get. So always provide a benefit. Even on my channel, I was saying inspiration, motivation, staying motivated together. So always give them that benefit. That's going to be so important when it comes to others growing on your channel. And another thing to keep in mind, you'll hear other channels talking about how the algorithm is against smaller channels, how YouTube doesn't promote smaller channels, and we never like to say what we can't do. I like to tell us over here at Next Level, we talk about what we can do. As a matter of fact, I put that in my book, Still Destined for Greatness. Check this out. I say, practice affirming what you can do. One of my favorite affirmations says, I have eliminated the words I can't from my life. Nothing is impossible for me. I can do all things through the power of the Spirit of God within me that strengthens me. So keep that in mind. Never say what you can't do. Even if you're a small channel coming up, you can do it. You can do anything that you put your mind to. And I go deeper into that with my book, Still Destined for Greatness. I would love for you to grab a copy of that, take it home with you with that link in the description. But we can do anything we put our minds to. There's nothing impossible. One of the problems that I've ran into on my journey is getting noticed. Talk about that algorithm, right? A lot of times, all we need to do is get our videos out there. It's by increasing our views. We want to get as many views as we can. I want you to check out this video right here, Epic Strategies for Increasing Your Views. I think that would be great for you to watch next. So check that video out, enjoy that. Gotta show some love for my subscribers and returning viewers. You are the life of the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button and share this on your way out. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up whatever you do. Till next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.